Hey everyone, this is Adam with UAV Coach reporting straight from the desk. We find the best drone fails so you don't have to. Simple as that. To kick things off, here's some honorary mentions before we dive in. Hint, hint, to the top 3 drone fails we received in November. Hope you like them and keep sending in your best fails for a chance to win free access to our Drone Pilot Skill Builder course. Now let's get into the fails. Okay, we're heading straight for the mountain. We could start to turn now. Anywhere but the rocks. Pivot, pivot. Pivot! Ooh, well, we got a nice close-up of those rocks, so. Okay, we're flying over this big open field, going over some trees, no big deal. You're gonna wanna pull up now. Pull, pull, ooh, that's tough. Well, now we got a nice close-up of some leaves, so. All right, we're taking off. Beautiful day out, water is shimmering, and ooh, right on the noggin. Well, I guess you never expect an attack from above. All right, last runner up. We got a doggy. They don't look like they like the drone though. Maybe they have a sense something's going to happen. Trying to maneuver over these sticks and, oh, almost. Well, hey, that's a pretty cool shot though. Now let's get into the top 3 placings. Coming in at number 3, we have a submission from Sergi. Whoa, a zip line? That's awesome. I wanna ride one of those. Good tracking with the drone. Ooh, great dodge. And, oh, you almost had it. In second place, we have a submission from Michael. All right, changing conditions. Nice smooth shot over the water. I wonder what's gonna happen next, and oh, we're going down. And we still got camera footage? Now that might be one of the best underwater drone shots I think I've ever seen. And drumroll please for the winner of the November edition of our Drone Fails Challenge. Goes to Matthew. All right, looks like an FPV shot. Going around the fence, nice. And oh, clip the curb. We're flying backward now. Oh, we're going upside down and ooh, into the pool? What are the odds? That might be the second best underwater drone shot I've seen today. Wow, well, big congrats to Matthew and thank you to everyone for sending in your best drone fails. If you have any fails yourself, please submit them in the first link down below. Also, we'd love to hear what you thought of these videos, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell. Our goal with this challenge is for you all to embrace the fails and fly, share, laugh, and learn together. Until next time, blue skies and extra safe flying.